Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, on the Daily Options Trade, we're looking at GOEV. Now, GOEV has had a rough road. So, they've had some issues in production, they've had some issues in their staffing, in their leadership, they've had some issues with their direction, whether they're going to lease, they're going to sell, what are they going to do? I think most of that's behind them now. If you look at their new minibus, oh man, that thing is so cool. I've already pre-ordered one. That thing is rocking. So it's unbelievable, the quality of that thing. It looks so cool. It looks like you're flying a shuttlecraft from Star Trek. And it's just a really cool concept. It's very different than the other EVs that are out there. I encourage you guys to just go check it out, do your own research. But GoEV is highly shorted in the market, like 30% or something like that, 30%, whatever. And it could be a target for Wall Street bets at some point here in the near future. In addition to, I love the company. It's got great fundamentals. The issue is they need to transition production into production. All right, so let's just go look at the options. So I'm looking at some longer term options, okay? So look at this, $1.65. That's pretty decent, okay? It's not terrible. Let's go out a little further. $2.20 for the put. So it's not bad, right? It's okay. I could do that. But let's go maybe a little shorter term. At least initially. So let's look out in July. Alright, let's look at July. So July is 45 cents. That's not nearly as impressive. Okay, but it's still good premium. Alright? That's 6%. That's not bad. So 6% a month for a year, that's pretty good. You're not going to get 12 months out of it. You probably get 10 or something. 60% of your money. It's not bad. Can't beat that, right? So you got another month, you get 75 cents. Meh, not really worth it. And you could do it it's almost like a leap, right, out to November. It's pretty far out there. I don't know if I want to go that far out with these options. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright. Ooh, I can read your comments now. It's coming to me. Oh, he said go with the leap? Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, I get 22% on my money right here, which isn't too bad, right? Yeah, I could deal with it. But I think it's going higher. What do they say? They say it's a 42% chance. Ooh, that's bad. Huh. I wonder why. Interesting. Not sure how they're calculating that statistic, but it's already below where it came out as a spec, and they've got good stuff going on. So I don't see the downside here, really, guys. So I'm going to self-fund my leap. I'm going to sell a put and buy a leap. Seems reasonable, doesn't it? It's called self-funding. And I still make cash. Still make some cash on that deal. Can't beat that, right? So let's do two. I'm going to get greedy right now, because I'm going to be building this position out over the next couple months. Tell me what you guys think. Is this a good play? Is it not a good play? Okay, we got a break even at $7.29. It's not bad, right? I could take it. Take it. As long as the stock doesn't go down, crash to the floor, and go out of business, we'll be okay. So let's view the order. Didn't go through, of course it didn't. Why would it? Although it's right in the zone. So it should be going through any second. Any second, it's going to go through. Any second after I replace the order 5 or 6 times. Alright. It's not working out. Alright, well, this might not work out for me today. I'm willing to go as low as 11 cents for this. Because I still want to make something. Alright. So, alright, well, doesn't look like it's going to work out. Alright, back to my positions. We still have Fisker. It's a short-term options. I have 600 shares long. So that's a good play. That's another EV play. GOEV, FUV, Arcimoto. It's pretty cool. Go see my video about that one. That's pretty cool. Alright. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. I was trying to get into those options. Doesn't look like it's going to work out. We'll try again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.